We moved in the couch. Yeah. Oh, I'm dead. Watch this. All right, so I'm gonna wait till everybody come. I'm gonna wait till everybody. Straight. Yes, sir. Damn, energy boy called on about another video. Overall, it's a pretty good shoot.
A lot of blue rays, sheet on my pet.
Oh, dope.
I got it.
Just caught the Paul George's.
Don't mean that it's made. I clean up real nice. I don't got.
Yes, sir. That's a dime. Yes, sir. That is what's going on. Back with another video, bro. Today is move-in day, bro. Now I know some of y'all might be, alarmed or like confused, like, but didn't you just move into an apartment? Like, blah 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 blah. Look, don't worry about that. You're moving on to bigger and better things. We got a better apartment, better everything. So today I'm basically gonna give y'all, the empty apartment tour. I rented this U-Haul, like, bro. Let me tell y'all this. All this, my money, not my mom's. I don't even really talk to my dad, but not his, my money. So, she did help me, like, move some of this stuff, but, bro, like, my money, like, let me tell y'all this, furniture is not cheap, bro. Like, I'm finna sell so much shoes, bro, because I'm 21 years old. Guys, this is my first time ever renting a U-Haul, first time ever driving a U-Haul. I got some friends coming, they're gonna help me move this stuff into the apartment. We are moving to Buckhead, Atlanta, bro. The rich and bougie, like where they drive the Lambs and Wraiths. And no, I'm not having no Lamb, no Wraith. My car sucks. I know my last apartment, I probably said this is like one of the biggest days of my life. It's probably like one of the best things I'd ever bought. But this apartment here, this is the best thing I've ever bought. Let me show them how much we got moving. Damn, the lighting in here is terrible. Golly.
All this we live in.
I don't know how I'm finna do this.
I was literally thinking like, okay, let me
open the door first and I'll put this camera in there. We at the apartment complex. I just finished signing the lease. And I'm about to move some stuff in now. Let's show you the view. This is like the right outside the elevator view. That's the Kroger right there. The moving team. I cannot show the apartment number. If we're gonna do it. There you go, I'm moving squad.
You setting this shit up yourself, right?
Huh? What you mean?
Damn!
Yeah. Oh, I'm dead. I don't know if I should show him the view. Actually, yeah, let me show him the view from right here. This man said flex. My mom did not raise me that way.
Nigga, my mom did.
Here go the view. We in Buckhead right now. Lennox is like right over this building, but it's the view, bro. Let me go help them move. I'm finna do this later and I'll show y'all, some crazy stuff about the house and blah, blah, blah. Yes,
what is my new crib?
This nigga is a dog. There go the view. We moved in the couch. Moved in the couch. That's some glass for the desk. You said what? Yeah, I'm putting the two twins in here. Okay, damn. So I gotta put the queen in here. The queen was over in there. But I don't know, Isaiah, look at this room. Tell me if you think it'd be big enough for two twins, because I don't even know if it's
tucked away better. So you could make it.
Right, look. But then again, this bathroom is the one accessible for everybody though, so yeah.
Yeah, it's way bigger. So it's better for two twins.
This closet kind of big too. It's not as big, but You definitely could live in this. Turn on off the lights because the light bill will hit on the first. Oh yeah, that man Don vlogging.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Check out the bathroom. And then I'll walk. Oh yeah, I gotta show you the kitchen. Look like quick. She just showed me this. All right. Wait, y'all seen the sink yet? Right. Watch. Finna show you the sink, bro. Watch this. All right, so I'm gonna wait till everybody come. I'm gonna wait till everybody.
Fancy, nigga, the fuck?
No, wait, watch. Watch. So, all right, so this is the thing, right? So you would turn on like that, right?
Yeah. Oh hell, that's lit.
It's touch.
Your hands are dirty.
Oh yeah, that shit fire.
Oh, touch screen water. What the
I didn't even know that shit was even possible.
I'm not used to this. Bro, they gotta show them, bro. You got the white glove inspection on this.
Oh dang, I don't even. What's that mean though? I don't know what that means.
This place is valid. It's clean, bro.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, bro. I mean, I can put the white glove on, go like that. Oh, now they lied.
Oh, Wait, how I do it again? Oh.
Oh, that's lit. My dumb ass would have pushed on.
I did. Yeah. That's why it's on the floor.
2 plates at a time.
We'll turn it off because that is my water bill. You got a closet. The closet is big. I don't even know what this is, but this look fire. This, whatever this is. This, I feel like I'm at the Container Store again.
Yeah. They gotta, you put
This
it
fire.
like this. That's how you do it, bro. Yeah.
Okay. Bathroom right quick. They're basically the same thing. One's just a little bigger, but you got the 2 flushes. I never seen these. You got the 1 flush and then the 2 flush.
What is that for?
It's like if you take a dump, you take a piss.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't know that. This toilet is nicer than I thought. I don't remember that when I looked at it. Dang.
We could run it in the gym right now.
What you trying to do, bruh? I'm giving them a tour right now of the complex. Everybody behind me. Oh, damn. What, did I just walk in and the lights turn on? This straight. This is straight. This is straight, bruh. This is straight, bruh. Do they have a leak though?
Oh, I'm holding your phone.
You were
He said
born.
combat later.
Alright. This is tough, bruh. Facts. Oh, what's in here? That's another bathroom, bruh. Down there, everybody had their phone. We got more water? I need that. No, this is the fountain.
This is the fountain, bro. I'm ready to see the pool.
I don't believe the pool is better than this. So this right here is the fountain, bro. I seen some people put their feet in lounge area, outside lounge area. This bit is tough. And Buckhead, this is tough. Yeah, this thing is huge though. That's a fountain, bro. I could have swore this was the pool. They got a playground, a dog park.
Hey, next time you cook,
Huh?
I throw money for the food, all that shit. Boom, we here.
This Kroger fancy, bro. I didn't even know they had a bistro, bro.
Home chef in store.
Yes, sir. Can I not speak their language? There go the salad bar. Am I dubbing $6.99 for a salad though? Hey, this Kroger going crazy, bro. Oh yeah, yes, sir. There go the line. Oh, is that a line? No, it is like they standing out there. Might be straight. Yeah, that is a good amount of people. All right, so basically, bro, we just left my apartment. We're on the way to Wish right now because they're doing a virtual line for the large arc. However you say it, Yeezys, bro. I know it's supposed to be an apartment tour, but man, we gonna get this shoe foot in regardless. I don't know how I'm finna cross this road. Dang. I don't know how I'm finna do this. But Wish is right there, bro. I just gotta get in there. hell, try to sign up for the virtual line.
Oh yeah, you got your idea?
Yeah. We done just got the, we did our virtual ride.
But this ain't my gas,
huh?
This ain't my gas, so.
I know you happy to drive.
This not my gas.
We got a whole minivan full.
Damn, bro. This is gotta pull that bitch up.
Oh yeah,
Oh shit, bro. You
want this nigga to drive? You want me to
Yes, sir. We done parked the U-Haul, bro. Back at the U-Haul place. We gotta clean out the U-Haul now and return it through an app. But yeah, we did trip one today. I gotta take another trip tomorrow. I'm about to use my aunt's truck, thank God. So I don't have to, you know, rent this again. You know, the big guy, the truck guy. But let me start cleaning this out. I just had to update y'all with what was happening because it's been a while since I turned the camera back on. I've been moving, bro. It's just stressful. I'm not trying to do this again. All right, bro. So I know I said I was gonna give y'all like an empty apartment tour, but the apartment is no longer empty. But look at the natural light, bro. God. I'll give y'all a quick, you know, some quick tours that I'm moving like some mattresses right now, as you can see. But I'm gonna show y'all the view, and I'm gonna show y'all one bedroom, and then we'll get into specifics and all that when I give you the full apartment tour. But look at the look at the view, bro. Yes, sir. Right over there is Lenox, bro. That's Peachtree Road right there. I don't know what these other buildings is. And then over there, that's Atlantic Station and stuff like that. But the view, I'm digging it. I'm digging the view. It really looks way like farther away when I'm on the camera, but I don't know how. Yeah, I look like a black ant. But you can also see, like, I think over here is Kennesaw Mountain, and over, you probably can't see with the camera, but the Red Top Mountain is over there. Like, I don't know what direction. I really don't know, but focus, focus, focus. Okay, yeah, the man in the light. I'm gonna show y'all one bedroom right quick. I'm gonna keep the camera like this so y'all can't see. I'm moving mattresses and stuff right now, so, bro, it's a mess, bro. Dang, okay, so I still have a mattress in this room. I just realized, but this is one of the bedrooms. The view is low-key better in here. You can see it's hard, bro. I ain't finna cap it. It's hard. Can I show y'all? I'll show you the closet. This is the closet. You know what I'm saying? It's pretty fine. There's a light somewhere. It's pretty hard. It's a pretty hard and pretty spacious closet. But yeah. So that's the end of this video. I am going to be posting a full apartment tour. I know I didn't for my last one, but I'm gonna be posting a full apartment tour, bro. So y'all gotta stay tuned. Is this a bug on my window? Look at this. Yo. Oh yeah, that's what I saw. Somebody lives here now, bro. Get that out of here. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, bro. Bro, I'm really trying to do this outro and standing on like one of the bed frames. But yeah, I don't have outro. I just shrug. Welcome to the new crib. And it is a penthouse. We are officially the highest floor. There's nobody above me. But yeah, that's whoa. All right, that's in this video, bro. I don't have outro. I just shrug. So.